Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Google Classroom application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this process will guide you through the correct steps. First of all, go ahead and find your Android or iOS device and then make sure that they are connected to a stable internet. On your Android, open up Google Play Store, whereas on your iOS, open up your App Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar at the top, type in Google Classroom. In the search result, look for this application from Google and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. Wait for the application to get installed on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once installed, tap on the Open button to launch the app. You can then go ahead and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one and then enter your Google account's credentials to join into classes, view assignments, and participate in classroom activities directly from your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.